Here's how I applied for an Australian tourist visa. First, gather all your requirements. This includes your identification documents, which are your passport, valid government ID, birth certificate, and visa photo. Travel documents, isama nyo dito yung previous visas nyo, stamps from your passport, itinerary, flight, and accommodation bookings if meron na. These are optional but on our case, nakapag-book na kami ng flight. You can book rooms through platforms like booking.com for the sake of providing accommodation proof. But make sure lang na they accept cancellation just in case. Also, gawa kayo ng cover letter. By the way, lahat ito is done online so no need to have printed documents. Kailangan din ng financial requirements such as payslips, certificate of employment, if self-employed naman, mga ITR, business permit, SEC or DTI. Aside from that, pwede ding stock certificate, credit card statements, bank certificates, and bank statements. Any financial documents to prove na kaya nyo isupport yung expenses nyo on the trip. And documents that prove that you have ties to your home country. Proof of ownership of properties, real estate, or ORCR ng mga kotse. Once you have everything, register at emi.homeaffairs.gov.au and select Visitor Visa. For a more detailed video kung paano ko to fill up, check out my YouTube channel. Once you've submitted your application, makakatanggap kayo ng email to set an appointment at VFS Global for your biometrics. Total cost for the application is 197.73 AUD or 7,962.96 pesos, which you'll be required to pay upon application, and the biometrics collection fee na 557 pesos, which you'll be paying doon na sa VFS Global upon biometrics collection. Total cost is around 8,500 pesos.